everyone, I'm Reina. Today I will make easy miso. Last time I made miso, but today I will make just 2 weeks. It's gonna be eat miso. It's a little bit sweeter than last time and very delicious, also delicious. We say Saikyo-Miso. It's a sweet miso and usually made in Kyoto prefecture, but also we can make it. So let's get started. Today I prepare ingredients. I will show you. These were today's material. This is soybeans. This is dry, but one day I put in the water, so softer now. This is from Niigata prefecture, good one. And this is a koji. I compare because this is rice koji. Rice koji is white rice, and this is wheat koji. Today I will use wheat koji, a little bit brown and from wheat. And this is from Ehime prefecture, good one. And also today I will use salt. This is from Niigata prefecture also, and very good salt because this salt has many minerals and naturally handmade use making salt. Usually we use white one, but we say this is moshio. Moshio has many minerals, and brown it's a different type. Okay, very simple ingredients here. Please choose good ingredients for our healthy and delicious. Without skin is more easier to fermentation. Today I need all skin get out. One night I put in water this soybeans, and now again like this, and please make this movement, then you can put out the skin easily. After this I will boil soybeans like here, but without skin become this. Okay, you know, so it's easy. Okay, almost done. So now I separate the skin. And skin is right, so it's easy to separate. Okay, I finished now. If you can use flow water, it is more easier to separate the skins. But anyway, you can make like this and very easy. I will boil these soybeans. Okay, now I will tell you about usual miso and Saikyo-Miso. How different? It's a 3 points. One is the salt. Usually, usual miso include 12% salt, but Saikyo-Miso include from 4 to 6% salt. It is one difference. And second is skin. Usual miso doesn't take off skin, but Saikyo-Miso has take off the skin. And the third is a period. Usual miso, it takes 10 months to complete the making miso, but Saikyo-Miso just 2 weeks, really short time. It's because salt percent is low and also skin is no skin, so it's more fermentation is easy. Finish the 2 weeks, keep in the refrigerator. Otherwise, the miso cannot eat. It's the 3 difference: usual miso and Saikyo-Miso. Last time I made 2 kinds of miso. One is a chickpea miso and second is a usual miso. So I want to share now how is it. I made, this is February 8. So this is soybeans and rice koji. And now end of May, it's past 4 months almost. Now it's more darker and softer, and also liquid comes out. Just finished making miso. It is more dry, but now a little bit wet. I tasted this last night and it's become miso and very delicious, but not complete yet. Okay, then chickpeas miso. Also, this is February 11th. I made this one, and also chickpeas miso more when I made it. This one more dry, but now more liquid comes like this. I didn't taste, so let's taste now. Okay, this is chickpeas miso. Okay, good smell. Yeah. It's delicious, but I need more fermentation, I think. But it's okay and tasty. So I will wait more 6 months from now. Now I will broken and separate the wheat koji. Usually koji like this. So, but if you're making miso, we have to separate. Do this movement, please. Make separate. And if you have a food processor, you can blend it and cut it. It's more smooth miso you can make. But I don't have, so I just do this. And also you want to make more smooth miso, but if you have no processor, you can cut the knife like this movement, and then like separate. Okay, then separate all stuff. Okay, I do all of this wheat koji. Okay, and when you do this one, please feel how different usual rice koji and this wheat koji, and you know, wet or dry, or, and please say 美味しくなれ. It means become delicious, please, and pray. Then you do that, make good taste miso. It's really lovely. Okay, it's gonna be good condition now. Separate, all separate. Okay, so now wheat koji and salt mix. Okay, then mix again. We see this is shiokiri koji. This means shio is salt and koji is wheat koji, and mixed. This is shiokiri koji. and please mix eventually. Okay, now this is boiled already, and like this, if I push, very soft, okay, this is perfect. So please push. Okay, and still very hot, so please be careful. Oh, it's really hot. And please feel and say 美味しくなれ again. We have to wait under 40 degrees because koji will be die over 40 degrees. Please mash evenly. Low temperature now. It's almost same as my temperature, so it can be mix shiokiri koji. Okay, you can use also rice koji too. Today I choose wheat koji. Okay, mix. Please now mix evenly. Usually, Saikyo-Miso, we say also shiro-miso. It means shiro is white and miso, So usually Saikyo-Miso is white color. But today I use wheat koji and moshio. It's a brown salt and also brown colors, so it's not white. But if you use white salt and white rice koji, then it's gonna be more white miso you can make. Now I make bowl, and please push out the air to outside. Okay, it's cute. Okay, so today I also use jiuqu. Like this. Okay, then put in then push, punch, because I need vacuum air, no air. Okay, then finally I enter this also. Okay, then like this. Push out the air and make no air, please. Vacuum. Okay, now write down date. Today's date. Today I tried to wheat jiuqu, wheat koji also, and just I wait 3 weeks. So please, after finish the make this one, I will put in the refrigerator this one because very small salt, that's why. And this is very easy to eat. We can put in miso soup also, and dip, and anything you can use. Also, if you in a curry, it's also delicious. So I will make another miso or miso recipe, so please describe, and thank you for watching this one, and please enjoy your cooking. Yeah, Thank you for everything. Goodbye.